So with the pre-order of the Galaxy Note 9, Samsung offered some free headphones. And I don't know if you've been paying attention, but I tend to review headphones. So let's check out the AKG N60s right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back! And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's get into the video. Now, normally I'm excited to review Bluetooth headphones that have noise cancellation because generally speaking, people want that nowadays. They don't just want headphones, they want noise cancellation, especially if they travel. But as you may have seen, most of the headphones I've done on here, or at least some of them, don't have good noise cancellation. They cut out the bottom end, sometimes they even mess with the mids, and a lot of times I just can't tell you to get them. I just say pass. Now, there's been a couple of exceptions, and I'm hoping that these are an exception as well, because you can buy these. If you didn't get a Galaxy Note 9 and get them sent to you for free, you can actually buy them. But the real question is, should you? I don't really know what to expect from AKG. I don't like earbuds, so I've never really used the earbuds they put in with the Note 8, 9, and 7. But I am kind of excited to see what these are all about and what they sound like. Now, normally I would do an unboxing next, but I've got to shoot a lot of videos today, and I'm way too lazy for that. So I'm just going to unbox them and we're going to take a look at them. So the box is super fancy. It's got a really nice cushion inside and whatever. But of course with boxes, some people throw those away. So you almost spend too much money on the box and not enough on the hardware. I always get concerned about that. But it comes with an airplane adapter, which, by the way, I can't remember the last time I've been on an airplane where I actually needed this adapter. And a little carrying case. Now, depending on how much I'm spending for headphones, I usually like a hard case, but again, these were free to me anyway, so I don't mind too much. But if I had spent money on this and I actually wanted to use them for traveling, I definitely would want a hard case. So taking these things out, they look like they're on-ear headphones, which if any of you have been paying attention, I'm not a huge fan of. I like over-ear headphones, better noise isolation, and they just feel better to me. But they look kind of nice, actually real soft and spongy. The top part is smooth and soft, but it's a small headphone. It's really kind of a very compact headphone with some plastic insides here, no metal really here to speak of. But it looks nice. It's a nice looking headphone. So it looks like you have your 3.5 millimeter on the bottom, micro USB. On the other side, you have your power on and off and your forward and back track. So you have all the controls you really need on here. We're gonna try this with some of the music that I like to try. Of course, you know you like it and all that sort of stuff. I'm gonna try multiple types of music on this. I'm also gonna use them more for noise cancellation. I don't expect these to be great for music. I'm actually considering these for trips. Like if you go on a plane, will it cancel out the noise there and be, you know, good enough for music, but really for like movies and stuff. Now I just paired these to my phone, and one thing I like, and I've never seen this before, I don't know if it's because it's the Galaxy Note or what, but the Note is actually telling me how much battery is left on these headphones without a specified app. It actually is just showing it in the paired devices screen. It's actually pretty cool. I like that. Okay, they're on. I'm going to start off with You Know You Like It. Interestingly, with them on, I can barely tell if the noise cancellation is actually on. There does not appear to be a way to turn specifically noise cancellation on and off, but when I turn the headphones on and off, something is happening. But let's see how it affects music. Can't hear myself talking at all. That's interesting. Like I literally can't hear myself talking. So that bass drop is coming. Let's see how it handles bass. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Understated bass. You can hear it, but it's, you know. So it feels like the highs are maybe artificially boosted. Mids are okay. And the bass is just, let's try some other music. Because obviously this is not a bass pair of headphones. Okay. All right, so these were free. And I'm glad they were, because I would not pay what they are trying to charge on Amazon for these. Over $150, and someone even trying to get almost $300 for these. That's a no. The build quality is cool or whatever, but the sound is just underwhelming. It's fine for free, but the fact that anyone would try to pay over $100 for these blows my mind. If you're in the $100-ish range and looking for some noise canceling headphones, I did a review on the Space NCs by Anker. I used them on a plane recently and they worked phenomenal. And they also sound pretty good. If you're going about $150-ish, which is where these land for some unknown reason, the Backbeat Pros I did a review on not too long ago, blow these out of the water. So it's a good thing these things were free because I don't think I'm gonna need them anymore. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.